Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action today has been nothing short of fascinating. After the initial rejection at $99,500 on Wednesday, we saw Bitcoin retest lower levels before making another swing north of $100,000. The price found solid support at the 50 EMA, shown here in light blue, rebounded quickly, and is now consolidating at the yellow horizontal line, sitting at $99,500. At the time of recording, the market is gearing up for the next leg up. Key levels to watch are $100,800, $101,500, and finally $103,400. Now let's dive into the liquidation heat map. The one-week heat map shows hot pockets on both sides of the current price, sitting at $99,400. On the upside, short leverage volume starts at $100,900 and extends all the way to $103,300, perfectly aligning with our yellow horizontal lines on the chart. On the downside, the long leverage pocket is located around $95,800 and $93,300. Personally, I'm biased to be more bullish than bearish here. I just don't see another retest into the lower 90s being feasible in the current market conditions. It would likely drive market sentiment into extreme fear. But as always, whales and market makers can surprise us in the short term. Long term, however, my view remains unchanged. A mid to high six-figure Bitcoin by the end of this year feels inevitable as demand continues to rise worldwide. Switching gears, let's talk about retail awareness. A quick look at the Google Trends data for the search term Bitcoin shows that interest is at 31 out of 100, the lowest level we've seen since the second week of November 2024. While this might be skewed with tools like ChatGPT replacing Google searches for some, it's still a solid indicator of retail's current lack of presence. Finally, a quick update on Bitcoin ETFs. After a rocky start to the week with Monday and Tuesday, seeing outflows of minus $284 million and minus $209 million respectively, we saw a massive turnaround on Wednesday. Inflows surged to plus $755 million, led by Fidelity's FBTC with $463 million, followed by ARK's ARKB at $138 million, and GBTC with $50 million. BlackRock's IBIT contributed $31 million, which is surprisingly low given their usual role as a lead buyer during high inflows. Based on today's price action, we could see another positive day for ETF inflows, but likely in the low hundreds of millions. Join the conversation in our Discord, connect with like-minded traders, and share your insights. And if you got value from this video, leave me a comment. It really helps with the algorithm. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the game. Let's keep winning together, and see you in the next one.